First, the top stories. Independence Day celebrated in Manipur under tight security. General strike called by insurgent organizations hits live in Manipur. And one nation, one constitution, a reality, Prime Minister Modi says. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. Times of Manipur wishes everyone a very happy 73rd Independence Day. This is SURAJ giving you the news. Now the news in detail. Amidst tight security, Independence Day was celebrated across Manipur today amid tight security deployment in view of the boycott call given by different insurgent groups. The main function organized by Manipur government was held at the 1st Manipur Rifles Parade Ground, Imphal. The celebration was attended by Chief Minister N. Biren, Cabinet Ministers, MLAs, high-ranking officials and other distinguished guests. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren unfurled the national tricolour on the occasion. Biren later took the salute at an impressive parade by 66 contingents drawn from Manipur Police, BSF, CRPF, Manipur Rifles, IRB, Mizoram Police, MPTC, Pangai, Manipur Central Jail, VDF, Imphal East, Imphal West, Home Guards, Manipur Fire Service, Excise Department, Forest Department, Traffic Police, SDRF, Anti-Riot Ex-Servicemen, ICDS, MMTA, CID Technical BDS, school and college students and cultural streams. During the celebration, 16 Manipur police personnel were honored with President Police Medal Award for Distinguished Service, Medal for Meritorious Service Award, Union Home Minister's Medal for Excellence in Police Training, Chief Minister's Trophy for Community Service 2019 Award and Chief Minister's Trophy for Anti-Drug Campaign Award 2019.
Private sophisticated conflict identified budgetary provision, smart classroom simultaneously
Altogether, 66 contingents participated in the parade, where Assistant Director of Police Training Center MPTC Sarangthem Asana was the parade commander. Addressing the function, the Chief Minister N. Biren said that the state is going backward due to frequent band and strikes called over every issue. He added that band and strikes have seriously affected the life of the people, especially the students. Talking about the increasing traffic volume in Imphal city, he announced that the cabinet has decided to shift all educational institutions to the outskirts of the capital. Biren also sought suggestions from the public members in this regard.
water starts in drinking water always. Sangapa akha lok akha lagi pikraba da uram ti masa sing aduga solar be migrants na samda puraga kilometer amani sing thamro puraga kakko aduga ek mitchni yaba nasila on the way to rainwater harvesting upon terms arrangement.
High Court of Manipur celebrated Independence Day at the High Court complex. Chief Justice Ramalingam Sudhakar unfurled the tricolor on the occasion. A Manipur police band played the national anthem and 182 Battalion BSF gave Rashtriya salute. During the function, a High Court of Manipur newsletter was also released. The 73rd Independence Day was also celebrated at Chairab Court Complex, Uripok of Imphal West. District and Session Judge Imphal West R.K. Memcha Devi, Imphal East District and Session Judge Maibam Manoj Kumar, Special Judge of Fast Track Court Salam Tara Devi, President of All Manipur Bar Association Maibam Nilachandra Singh, General Secretary of Amba Thingbaizam Mahira Singh, along with staff of the court and members of All Manipur Bar Association Amba attended the celebration. Several insurgent organizations imposed a general strike in Manipur to boycott the Independence Day celebration today. Amid the celebration, an IED was detected by Assam Rifles on Imphal-Dimapur Road, National Highway 102 near Khongampa this morning. Averting a major tragedy, as per a report, a team of Assam Rifles and bomb experts later retrieved the bomb and defused. The general strike paralyzed normal life in the state. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today addressed the nation on the 73rd Independence Day. Modi led the nation in celebrating the event at the Red Fort in Delhi today morning. He unfurled the national flag and delivered the customary address to the nation from the Red Fort at 7:30 a.m. In his Independence Day address, Modi touched upon the achievements of his newly formed government in less than 10 weeks of coming to power. The abrogation of Article 370, Article 35A, the passing of Triple Talaq Bill, among others. He also said the decision to repeal Article 370 was a step towards fulfilling Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's dream. In his speech, Modi said the focus now is to build on 21st century India the way it moves forward, how it functions and how it thinks. It is time to fulfill the dreams and aspirations of the people. The spirit of one nation, one constitution has become a reality and India is proud of that, he added. He further continued that the entire world faces a threat of terrorism but should deal with it collectively, and India will certainly do its bit to fight terrorism. Modi said India must move and grow at a fast pace, and that is possible only when every Indian prospers. Prime Minister Narendra Modi also expressed concern about population explosion as it will create difficulties for future generations. Digging at the opposition party, he said, what could not happen in 70 years happened in less than 70 days under NDA government. The development of Jammu and Kashmir now depends on us. The spirit of one nation, one constitution is now a reality, he added. He also slammed the opposition for politicizing the scrapping of special status to Jammu and Kashmir and said politics comes and goes, but steps in the interest of the nation are paramount. If Article 370 was so important and life-changing, why it was not made permanent, the Prime Minister said. Well, it's time now for a short commercial break, but coming up, Ngarian Jairipog Road blocked.
Aina aigi pusi gila minagadab nupa khan badine. Ai sage pamani.
Mafamse, numan sobam nate.
Ai icha nupi busu mangan ge na khan.
Ai nang nuksi.
ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯅꯪꯕꯨ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯗꯦ.
Gitam University Visakhapatnamda BSc Nursing amadi MSc Nursing in NPCC gidamak female candidates singna admission tobibi yaragani. Campus manungda masagi hospital leizaraba medical college ni. Room amada mahiroi ani khaktamak leiba lift facility yauraba amadi yamna hygienic oiraba hostel yauraba campus ni. MSc Nursing the admission fanglaba mahiroi singda tha khudingi stipend oina lupa lising tara fangani. Tuition fee structure BSc rupees 30,000 per year. Food and accommodation rupees 45,000 per year. First to fourth year same fees. MSc Nursing in NPCC fees rupees 1.5 lakh per year. Food and accommodation rupees 45,000 per year. Eligibility BSc class 12 pass, physics, chemistry, biology and English 60% in aggregate. Manipur gi mahiroi singi oina entrance test yaudana direct admission tobiba yagani. Subnataki seat taramanga khaktani. Akupa marol gidama contact tobirau Educare Zone near Bosem Babupara. Phone number 60090622261 natraga 87940262277. Thangmiban GM College Road laiba GM Departmental gi ahan Foundation Day August 13 ta thokle. Masiga mari lainana shop asida fangliba item singda akhanaba discount pijaragani. August 13 ta gi hauraga August tha asima discount asi pijagani. Pijariba khudong chaba asi GM Departmental da lengsin bektuna lobiyo. Fanganjariba item singdi grocery items, nupagi, nupigi amadi angang singi oiba Jockey, Calvin Klein, Macroman, Macro Woman, Tommy Hilfiger hariba brand sing asigi firol kaya amsu phangbiragani. Lengsin Biraksi GM Departmental, Thangmiban GM College Road, contact number 97748588053.
Welcome back after the break. The road connecting Ngarian and Yairipok Laimanai Thongkong in Andhra constituency has remained blocked since yesterday. As per reports, angry locals of the area blocked the important road stretch after failure of the authority to restore the pathetic road condition despite repeated appeal. In this regard, President of LYCY, a local club, TH Ito, warned of further intense form of agitation if the demand is not met at the earliest. He also appealed to the public to take part in the protest. A combined team of 15 Assam Rifles and Imphal East commandos arrested 3 militants belonging to the Ben Pre-Park yesterday during separate counter-insurgency operations in Imphal East. As per reports, the security forces nabbed a district commander and 2 active workers of the outfit. The outfit's district commander was identified as Huidrom Devan Singh alias Malem, age 50 years, of Wangoi Top Upokpi. He was arrested by security forces from Sangakpam Bazar and recovered a mobile handset from him. The other 2 were identified as Yumnam Sakhen Singh, age 52 years, of Langjing Achoba. He was arrested from Chairen Thong and rupees 10,000 and a mobile phone were recovered from his possession, while the other one was identified as Yumnam Dizendro Meite, aged 51 years, of Manipuri. He was apprehended from Manipuri and a mobile phone was recovered from him, a report said today. Independence Day was celebrated at Krishi Bigyan Kendra KVK Churachandpur at its premises. The function was attended by Inspector General of Subsidiary Training Center Indra Kumar Mehta as chief guest. Several officials, students and teachers of KVK and others were also present at the function. Students presented patriotic songs and dances at the event. Distributions of meritorious awards to toppers students of KVK was one of the main highlights of the occasion. Thoubal District Administration also celebrated 73rd Independence Day at District Mini Secretariat Complex today. Education, Labour and Employment Minister T.H. Radheshyam hosted the tricolour on the occasion. Later, T.H. Radheshyam took the salute of an impressive mass past of contingents led by Subdivisional Police Officer of Thoubal District M. Biswarjit as the parade commander. Speaking at the occasion, Radheshyam said that even though we celebrate the Indian Independence Day, some people in the remote areas have not been able to get the true test of freedom. He said that Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi and Chief Minister of Manipur N. Biren have taken many initiatives in health, education and social welfare sectors. At the function, gift and certificates were distributed to the mass pass contingent and also 187 selected employees of the different departments of the district. Top civil and police officials, Adaksha of Thobal Jila Parishad, members, chairperson, councillor of Wangjing Municipal along with the Pradhan and members of the Gram Panchayat were present during the program.
Ipung kaya ama lady. Masa masu like taman mangam dabo kaya am lady. Yum lady ta dana yum lady na ba. Tin masa am khalaga yum masa am lady ba adum lady dabo kaya am lady. Marai ba thira bi se facility me am se. Akoi kara maina hagalan se ge hai wakal akoi wakal on pun hona minera kanda. Aphaba adu ba Manipur Bharat ama sem ba aduga adu Manipur ma sem da akoi Thobal district na akoi punna daita lomina
Liberty, Third Arabic Contingent, Platoon Commander, K.S. Russia.
The 73rd Independence Day was celebrated at More and Technopole District Headquarters organized by the District Administration. Chief guest of the function held at ADC More Office Complex, Sub-Divisional Officer I. Dinesh Kumar unfurled the national tricolor. The event was attended by 43rd Assam Rifles Captain Binoy Chongtham, AC of 8 Manipur Rifles, Sub-Deputy Commissioner More, public leaders of different communities of More, government officials, students of 12 schools, Manipur Rifles personnel took part in the mass pass parade. Meanwhile, Forest and Environment Mahud Town Planning Minister T.H. Syam Kumar unfurled the national flag at the 73rd Independence Day celebration held at Technopole Government High School, Technopole District Headquarters. The function was attended by District Deputy Commissioner and Assam Rifles officials. Students from different schools of Technopole, police and Assam Rifles personnel took part in the parade.
Independence Day celebration of Soidana, Burakani Madudi, Sumba Districasida, Laida City, Districase, Nauna, Mr. Gomena, Akoi Districase, La Hotana, Bill Vista, Infrastructure Award Pa, Legal Laiba, Young Mata, or Palamam Sinsu, Soidana, and the Independent Day, Seki, Considerasi, on top of Nazo, Soida East, the government on the Master Minister, Amadi Lamdamasiki Mehud, Amadi Laiba Koisa Mayam, Lamdamasiki DC, SP, Amadi Opesamiam, Tendemiam Singasu, Marik Sumna, or the Master Minister Tamdana, State Government get out of Kulakana or Papamso, Soida Dona Konaka Hava, Lengasiki Suman Wairaba, Independent Day again, Mr. Pauline Pieces.
This 73rd Independence Day was widely celebrated in 33 districts of Assam today. To mark the event, the tricolor was hosted in every educational institutions and government offices across Assam today. World Sanskrit Divas was observed today at Sanskrit Veda Vidyalaya located at predominantly Manipuri inhabited Gauranagar of Hosai in Assam. Pandit Moirangthem Khelemba Sastri, Samurai Latpam Golab Sharma, L. Kunjibabu and several others attended the event. As a part of the function, the role of Sanskrit language in Brahma Samaj was discussed. Notably, several students from Manipur, Bangladesh, Tripura, Silchar and Assam come to learn Sanskrit at the institution.
संस्कृत विश्व संस्कृत भारत की संस्कृत दिवस भारत सनातना मालेम अपुम्बमकी संस्कृत दे हाइदना लाइबासी.
The Joint Action Committee JAC formed against the mysterious death of Baby Sana has pledged to take forward the sustained agitation to seek justice for the late 13-year girl. As part of the weeks-long agitation, the JAC said a mass rally will be held on 17th of this month, followed by a torch rally on August 18 across the state. Finding out the circumstances leading to the death of Baby Sana and bringing all culprits to book have been the pressing demands of the JAC. Baby Sana of Thangweban in Imphal West allegedly committed suicide on July 18th last inside the boarding of Standard Robert High Secondary School. Let's take another short commercial break, but do stay tuned for the latest updates from across India.
Studio 11, India's favorite salon and spa, now at Imphal. Our services are haircut, hair straightening, global color, body spa, hair spa, waxing, threading, facial and treatment, hand and feet care, makeup. Body massage. Studio 11, Salon and Spa Imphal. Look fabulous. Fitness World Building, Singzamai Mathak Jongtham Lekai, Imphal West. Phone number 0385 2440164.
Welcome back. Along with the rest of the nation, Tripura also celebrated 73rd Independence Day today. Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb unfurled the national flag at Assam Rifles Ground in the morning. In his speech, Biplab gave a detailed outlay of the achievement of his government during the last 17 months. He also said that Tripura is implementing all the schemes of the central government successfully. The Chief Minister further said the state government has a plan to make Tripura as an IT hub. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma unfurled the national tricolour and took the ceremonial salute at Polo Ground in Shillong. Addressing the people on the occasion of the 73rd Independence Day of India, Conrad paid homage to the valiant martyrs and the great freedom fighters of the nation. He also offered his heartfelt tribute to the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, and all the freedom fighters, including the Meghalaya Bravehearts U. Tirot Singh, U. Kiang Nangwa and Pa Tongan Sangma. Stressing on the need to boost economy, Sangma said that tourism and hospitality sectors are key to Meghalaya's growth. Hailing the recent verdict of the Supreme Court lifting the 2014 ban on coal mining, the Chief Minister said that it is a massive victory for the people of the state. He added that it will have a positive impact on the economy of the state and will lead to revival of the coal mining areas. He also offered his deepest condolences to the families of those persons who have lost their lives due to the recent floods that swept the state, especially the Garo Hills region. Bordumsa in remote Changlang district of eastern Arunachal Pradesh also dipped in colorful celebration of nation's 73rd Independence Day with great pomp and show today. Somlung Mosang, the MLA of 49, Bordumsa Dian attended the function as a chief guest and addressed the people of the constituency as per reports. Let's now have the top stories of today's newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express, Circa PPCM observe Manipur Independence Day. Joint observation of Independence Day call rung out. Manipuri national flag was first hoisted on August 15, says titular king. Hebron comes alive to Naga Independence Day. Protest erupts at Janims over women's death. The People's Chronicle, titular king bets for unity, joint celebration. Lawyers body advises top corps to keep mum. Security VIFA for smooth conduct of Independence Day. Recluse at Janims as fashion dies. Doctor suspended. Imphal Free Press. Manipur celebrates 73rd Independence Day. Sana Jogba calls for joint celebration of Manipur Independence Day from next year. Janims doctor suspended over crowd pressure following delivery death of young mother. Doctors threaten agitation unless suspension order is revoked. Minister Jayant Kumar appeals to doctors to be sincere in their profession. The Morning Bell. 73rd Manipur Independence Day celebrated far and wide. Factionalism among CSOs displaying different flags peeps titular king. Government rolls out list of police medals winners. Consensus on common flag at PPCM Independence Day observation. Patriots Day observed in New Delhi.
Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top stories once again. Independence Day celebrated in Manipur under tight security. General strike called by insurgent organizations hits life in Manipur. And one nation, one constitution, a reality, Prime Minister Modi says. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.
Thank you.